How to change your age on Steam. So guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your age on Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Steam. You can open it up in the app as well, or you can just open it up in your web browser. Make sure that you sign in after you open it up. Then head over to your search bar and then search for any game. So make sure that you search for a game that requires you being 18 plus. So I'll just open up this game right here. And when I open this game, it says that this game may not be available for all ages. So yeah, so whenever you get this, you will need to confirm your age. So when you get this one, you can actually change your age. So just change your age, you can change your date, and then tap on view page. This will change your age on your Steam, which will enable you to view games which require you to be age appropriate. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.